Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Jinsoon is probably one of the most sought-after nail polish brands in the beauty industry, renowned for its chip-resistant formula, vibrant color payoff, and quick-drying properties. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or someone looking to elevate your everyday manicure, Jinsoon offers a luxurious experience that promises salon-quality results right at your fingertips. This brand has consistently delivered high-performance polishes that not only look stunning but also contribute to healthier nails, making it a top choice for discerning consumers who prioritize both aesthetics and nail care. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Portable USB Nail Drill. Introducing the MelodySusie PC120i, your go-to solution for professional nail care at home. This portable USB nail drill offers powerful performance in a compact design. With a robust 20,000 revolutions per minute motor and versatile bits, it handles everything from shaping and polishing to removing acrylics and gel. It's designed for all types of nails, including natural ones. Experience a comfortable manicure with its smart heat dissipation system. It operates quietly with minimal vibration, ensuring a pleasant user experience. Easily control the speed from 0 to 20,000 revolutions per minute and switch directions with a single button. This feature makes it perfect for both right and left-handed users, and it cuts your nail prep time in half. Its lightweight and compact design means you can take your nail salon with you wherever you go. Enjoy professional results anytime, anywhere. Getting started is effortless. Simply connect the USB power cable to begin. Its stable performance ensures a long-lasting and efficient nail care experience. What we like. This electric nail file offers a powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor for efficient nail care. Its low heat, noise, and vibration design ensures a comfortable experience. If you're looking for a portable and versatile tool for shaping, buffing, and gel removal at home or on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. Since it's USB powered, I can plug it into my laptop, a power bank, or a wall adapter, which makes it incredibly convenient. It's surprisingly quiet and has very little vibration, so I feel like I have great control when working on my cuticles or taking off gel polish. It has forward, reverse and fast or slow speeds. Number 4. ELLA+MILA No More Biting Nail Polish. Tired of nail biting and thumb sucking? Our specially formulated polish offers a safe and effective solution for both kids and adults. It's designed to help break these habits without any harsh chemicals. Experience the power of a bitter taste that discourages nail biting and finger sucking. This perfect prevention helps break the habit, promoting healthier nails for everyone. Applying it is as easy as regular nail polish. It dries quickly, leaving a long-lasting bitter taste that works effectively for toddlers to adults. This versatile formula works wonders as both an anti-nail biting polish and a thumb-sucking stopper. It's the ideal solution for tackling multiple habit-breaking needs. Specially developed to help stop nail biting, our non-toxic deterrent is trusted by parents. It's a safe and effective solution for finger biting prevention. What we like. This nail polish is specially formulated with a bitter taste to discourage nail biting and thumb sucking. It's a safe and effective solution for both kids and adults looking to break these habits. If you need a gentle yet effective way to promote healthier nails and stop bad habits, this is the one for you. What people say. The application is smooth and it dries very quickly, under a minute. It leaves a subtle, healthy-looking glossy shine on the nails. It is specifically designed to deter both nail biting and thumb sucking, and it works exactly as intended. It's made without harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, or acetone. Knowing it's safe and non-toxic is a huge relief, especially if you are using it on children. It's safe for ages 1+. Number 3. LONDONTOWN Nail Veil Enhancing Nail Care. Discover the ultimate in nail care with our innovative nail veil. It's designed to protect and strengthen your nails, giving them a natural, healthy look. This powerful formula acts as a shield, guarding your nails against damage and breakage. Experience visibly stronger, more resilient nails with every application. Achieve a beautiful, natural tint that enhances your nails' inherent beauty. It provides a subtle touch of color for a radiant finish. We believe in beauty without compromise. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Enjoy a flawless manicure that lasts. Its chip-resistant formula ensures your nails look perfect for longer, resisting everyday wear and tear. Elevate your nail game with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect way to enhance and care for your natural nails. What we like. This product acts as a protective veil for your nails, offering strengthening benefits and a natural tint. It's designed to be chip-resistant and provides a healthy enhancement to your natural nail. If you desire a subtle, polished look while caring for your nails' health and strength, consider this option. What people say. It is a sheer nail tint that looks gorgeous and lasts a long time. It helps my nails grow and protects them. Never chips. It has not chipped or peeled. All I did was 2 coats one evening and it was dry enough to go to bed within a half hour. Then, the next day, I added coat 3. It still looks great. I have ridges and it looks so clean and smooth. These go on smoothly and cover any ridges and make nails look flawless in 2 coats, and you only need to wait a couple of minutes between coats. 1 coat leaves nails bearish, sheer, healthy looking, so depends on what you're going for. Number 2. Onsen Secret Nail and Cuticle Repair Oil. Introducing Onsen Secret Nail and Cuticle Repair Oil, a dry oil formula designed to nourish and strengthen your nails and cuticles. It's your secret weapon for healthier looking nails. Experience a deeper level of nourishment with our unique blend of essential oils and antioxidants. It penetrates deep into the nail bed, moisturizing and strengthening from within for visibly healthier nails. Revitalize your nails with the power of Japanese tsubaki and tea tree oil. This formula is packed with antioxidants to help your nails thrive and look their best. Indulge your nails with our luxurious, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly and lasts all day. It hydrates and replenishes, leaving your cuticles feeling soft and your nails fortified. Our nail repair formula is a pure blend of natural and vegan ingredients, including tsubaki, castor, tea tree, and jojoba oils. It's designed to fortify and repair damaged nails effectively. We are confident you'll love the results. If it doesn't exceed your expectations, simply email us for a refund and keep the product as our gift. Enjoy the Onsen experience. What we like. This nail and cuticle repair oil provides deep nourishment with a blend of Japanese tsubaki, tea tree, and jojoba oils. Its dry oil formula absorbs quickly, strengthening nails and repairing cuticles without a greasy feel. If you struggle with weak, brittle nails and dry cuticles, this luxurious oil will revitalize them. What people say. The blend is absorbed and does work as advertised on cuticles and stimulating growth and strength of the nails. It really does help soften cuticles, and I believe is repairing my nails. Immediately after dropping into nail beds, the product goes also to all the nail edges to the cuticles. And it feels so soft and nice, even the fingertips avoids the torn nails, in layers, to stop breaking more. Number 1. LONDONTOWN Illuminating Nail Concealer. Tired of yellowing or discolored nails? Discover a natural solution that brightens and perfects your nail appearance. It's designed to enhance your natural nail beauty. Experience a sheer, brightening effect that instantly revitalizes your nails. This formula works to conceal imperfections, leaving them looking naturally luminous and healthy. More than just a cosmetic, it also strengthens your nails. It helps to restore damaged or discolored nails, promoting a healthier look over time. We care about what goes on your nails. That's why this product is formulated with over 21+ free ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective treatment. Achieve an effortless, natural look with this illuminating concealer. It's the perfect way to enhance your nails for any occasion, providing a polished finish. Specifically designed for nails that are yellowing, damaged, or discolored. It provides targeted care to help restore their natural vibrancy and appearance. What we like. This illuminating nail concealer offers a sheer, brightening effect to combat yellowing and discoloration. It also works to strengthen your nails, providing a natural, perfected look. If you're looking for a way to instantly enhance the appearance of tired or discolored nails while providing care, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It lasts up to 16 days if I need it to do so, such as when traveling. It doesn't peel or chip as long as your nails are completely dry. There is not oil, lotion, soap residue on your nails. You use thin coats and let them dry at least 20 minutes between coats. This polish is beautiful. Easy to apply with a great brush that I can do 1 to 2 strokes for the whole nail. Gives you that extra touch that makes you feel polished even when you're not put together. It dries quickly. The formula makes even dry and chipped nails look healthier. Polish is long, lasting, and easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.